All right, this is a 2020 BMW 330i. This is how you reset your maintenance light. It is similar for the BMW X3 and the 530i. Push button is now over here. There used to be a button for previous year models right here. Excuse me. But what you actually do is you'll use this button here on the side now. So what you'll do is you'll hit the button, the on-off button 3 times without starting the car. And then you'll press this button in and hold it. Again, the button says BC, and diagnostic menu will pop up. And it takes anywhere from 15 to 20 seconds, and it should pop up with that, which will reset it. And then what you'll do is you'll hold the button again. As you can see, I'm holding it after a few seconds. Then you'll let go. Then after, that took roughly 5 to 10 seconds. I didn't have it correctly the first time. You'll just press the button again. I'm not going to do that because this particular vehicle does not need an oil change, but as soon as you press this button again, it's a BC button, that will reset the oil light and you won't have to go to the dealer to get it done. And as I've said before in previous videos, this is just if you take it somewhere other than the dealer and they're not able to reset it because they don't know how, or if you do your own oil changes, then you can use that method to reset your oil light without having to go back to the dealer.